Hey, what's up, you guys? We are back with another video, and today we're just gonna be eating a little seafood. We got shrimp. No crabs today. We probably do that another time. We got shrimp, we got Polish sausage, and we got corns and eggs, and we got our sauce right here.
Our homemade sauce.
Yeah, I made that.
Our own sauce. No,
so I know we ain't been posting in a while, but we gonna get into that, y'all. We gonna be doing that. But right now we're gonna get into the seafood because I'm hungry. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on my little plate. I was already eating, you know. I was the taster. This here. Look, he gave me 4 shrimp.
I ain't done.
He trying to take the big boat.
Just enough for now.
Did y'all hear that? So I only get 1 sausage?
How many you want?
I'll just take that for now. I'm gonna boo him on my video. So I'm gonna eat me a little baby shrimp. Yes, y'all. It's busting. It's busting.
Look at that. Ooh.
Y'all, this is so good. I've been telling him I was gonna fix this for the last couple of days, and he been getting mad because I ain't make it. Yesterday I made me some fish and spaghetti and garlic bread, and he was getting mad because he wanted seafood. But our next video we gonna make, hold on, it's gonna be a mukbang video that we're gonna do, because we just gonna do it with crab. We gotta go to Sam's Club. I've been being real lazy. But yeah, we're gonna go to Sam's Club. In our next video, we're gonna do just with crab. We might have more people joining our video with the crabs, but I don't know yet. But this is busting, y'all. Give me a corn. It's a little spicy, but you know, it'll be all right. That corn, y'all. Yeah. I got this corn. It's pretty good. It's all good, y'all. That's pretty good.
You could have made this about 5 weeks ago.
I'm ready. Y'all, when I cook it, he be acting like he can't help.
I do it.
So, I don't be want to do it.
I help all the time.
You know.
Oh.
I'm gonna get into this egg. Yeah. That egg, y'all see that egg? Look at that egg. It's a little spicy, but you know.
Spicy too.
I'm surprised he ain't crying yet.
He's finna be. Let's get it to me. The spice is catching up with me. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So good. Let's do the other one. The key is you gotta leave a little yolk in there with it. Dip. Then eat. Got you. No, finna get around.
He's just happy he got seafood. I don't get no potatoes.
Oh, I forgot all about the potatoes, y'all. My bad. Got all about the potatoes. Ooh, my mouth burning.
All right.
I'm gonna let these soak a little bit. Let them soak. Marinate a little bit in there. Woo! Need some water?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go get us some water.
Spring water.
Yeah, we said the same time.
You know he don't need to drink water.
Let's have a race. Yeah, you want.
Have rice?
Mm-mm.
Come on, drink it. Let me see. Stop. Little mom. All right. Dang, you ain't drinking nothing.
I stay at the beach and come on.
Come on.
I can't do it. I am very free.
I won. Even though I ain't drink it all. This is his, because this is mine. I still won. He ain't go nowhere. He was over there drinking so fast.
I am very free. I hit my tooth. Let me bang one of these sausages real quick.
Tastes like butter. Excuse me. It tastes like. Yeah, we'll be right back. Look how he eating that corn, y'all. Y'all, my mom hurt. And I ain't even eating nothing of
So
your
like I
phone.
did hot chip challenge.
You need to do that. You too.
You need to do that too. Well. You can't drink no more water. You go. You already lost.
Why? How did I lose?
Because I told you can't drink no more water. You kept sipping.
What? You supposed to wait till I get done.
No.
Because I was already drinking.
Yeah, she full already, y'all. I ain't eating.
I did. I eat a lot.
I'm a trooper.
Because you've been waiting on this. He been waiting on this since 5 weeks. As he said.
super.
You ain't even eat now.
Hey, a lot. 2 corn. Egg. Potatoes. Chew. Stop eating. Stop eating. You ain't gotta hate to kick it, man.
Let me get some water.
Who said you can't drink no more water?
Why?
Well, come on, man. I'm eating.
You can't drink no more water.
Yeah, I said for you.
No, to you too.
No, I need my water.
You gotta eat your water. You gotta drink your water, not eat your water. How you gonna eat your water?
Shit, I feel shit. Yeah, my mouth hot. You made this a little too hot.
Yeah, I'm at school and we got a whole bunch to go.
Ooh,
He ain't eating no potato.
ooh, you just ate my other man. One of you.
He ain't eating nothing. Y'all need to get this video up at least to 100 likes. I know we just started YouTube or whatever. So I'm gonna get y'all to 100 likes. Y'all need to get this up to 100 likes before I can take me on the shopping spree.
Ooh.
I need to go shop. And I don't want to get on no Shein, no Fashion Nova, none of that. I'm gonna go in the store.
And it's still sound good. Okay. If y'all get this video to 100 likes, I'll take on the shopping spree.
Yeah.
It's up to y'all.
And I go get my hair done. I'm be looking like a whole nother person. Go get my hair done, y'all.
It's up to y'all. If y'all want to see her go on the shopping spree, get that video to 100 likes, man.
Yeah, get this up to 100 likes so I can go on the shopping spree because I need some clothes. Yeah, my hair looks a mess. But yeah, y'all do that for me.
Yeah, man. But yeah, that's the end of the video.
Why is it the end of the video?
Yeah, I'm done. We done.
You didn't eat nothing.
I'm done.
You're not done.
I'm done, man. I'm out burning.
What's our next video? I told them my next video is gonna be with crabs and only crabs.
Oh yeah, the big joints.
Yeah, we gotta go to some crabs.
Big crab.
Y'all look. He had made all those eggs. Look at this.
You wanna eat them?
I didn't eat them. Oh!
Oh man.
I was at my finger, look.
Sound like a person, bro.
Because you was in the way. Yeah, I hear that too. He lost. Because he drank more water and he didn't supposed to drink no water.
You already know.
Talk about something. It was the end of the video.
Yeah, so I'm done.
No. Why you still eating then? Give me another potato. How would you give me this big old potato?
Ooh, man, my mouth is burning, man.
You better eat that food.
My mouth is burning, y'all.
And then, I don't know what time it is. We eating seafood early in the morning. Kids at school. She's got my 2 little ones. And we eating seafood early in the morning. Stomach finna be hurt.
Man, my mouth is burning. I can't even think straight. Okay.
I'ma help you. Here. Why you all scared of stuff? I just in your mouth like your lips and stuff inside.
Why you play so much, man? Why you play so much?
I'm so sorry.
Come on, man.
I'm sorry. Oh, yo. So, yeah. Come end the video with me. Oh. You gonna end the video with me?
Man, you play so much. Why you play so much?
You got a little right there.
We wouldn't have nothing right there if we wouldn't have did all that dumb stuff.
I thought you was thirsty.
I said my mouth was out. I ain't say I was thirsty.
Like, no, this is your mom. All right, y'all. This is at the end of the video. I want you to like, comment,
subscribe, and get this video
and hit that notification bell, and get this video up to 100 likes for Robert can take me on a shopping spree. And we out. Peace.